Hello everybody, welcome back to Do Metal Stuff. Today I'm gonna try and make this big ass dial test indicator work again because it's a little bit stuck. So let's see how I can get into this and if I can fix this. Got some tooling here. On the back side there are 3 screws I'm gonna take out first. Okay. Didn't expect this to see. So I've taken a few smaller test indicators out, opened them up, but this is a different style of mechanic. You see, it goes pretty slow in and out. It's pretty tight. So I hope with good cleanup this thing will work again. There's some play in the dial and I rock it. Let's see. Close this on up before I lose my little screws. Got this ring out. The next one. Okay, let's take off the dial, the indicator hand. I got this for my birthday with a case of beer. Hope this works. Oh, that went smooth. The little hand can go in here. Ooh, gooey. So now you can see what's the problem. The thing has oxidated. I suppose this should be coming off well, but pretty tight. Let's do these screws first. Oh, there are 2 parts. So there are some marks in here, but I don't see any mark in here. this little thing. I think this little dent needs to be on this spot. So I try to remember that. The screw is highly corroded, so need to figure out how to clean this. Put this on the other side of the tray. But now don't want to break this. That's really also pretty dirty. Still some sticky stuff on the backside. But they put some paint over here, and there was some paint over here, and here you can still see it a little bit. But these are corroded, this one not. The screw leads to something inside here. I don't think you can see this, but let's take off those three first. I think these are where it's tied into. So these were pretty tight, at least this one. Yeah, now I need to remove this pin in here to keep it straight in line, and remove this little thing where this spring was touching. I don't want to mess it up, so let's see. I hope they didn't glue it in. Then we have a problem. Okay, let's see if the pin there is tapered or not. 1.4, 1.5. So it's tapered a wee bit. Need to force it out that way. It doesn't work. Of course, I cannot pull it out with my hands. Put this aside. Here he is. I cannot use this one because then I will mash up this little ledge here. It is rotating. Okay, we need to deburr this thing first because it will not come out of here. I got the indicator pin out. It's all gooey here. So let's clean this. I think this is press fit in here, and this one also. So I got the thing apart. I'm gonna clean this now with some brake cleaner or something alcohol holding stuff to remove all the oils and the fatty greasy shit that I can find in here. And I need to somehow de-rust these little screws and take a look of what is happening in here. But I want to clean this all first, so when I take this apart and put it back in the correct order, we can build it up completely.